Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on Realme 16. Okay, the thing is really easy. First we need to power off our device. So click the power key and volume up at the same time to launch the power menu, and now select power off. We need to wait until our phone turns off. And now to enter recovery mode we gotta hold the power key and volume down button at the same time until we see the Realme logo. So hold power key and volume down, keep holding, and when you see the Realme logo you can release the power key but keep holding volume down. And now we are in recovery mode. To navigate through the menu, you can use the volume keys. And now if you want to confirm the selected option, you can click the power button, but the touchscreen also works. As you take a look, in here, in the recovery mode, we can perform the data format, or we can reboot our device. It is up to you. In my case, I would like to reboot it. Okay, now I gotta confirm by clicking on OK, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.